Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will tell you a JavaScript tip to return or get the integer part of number by removing any fractional digit. In ES5, you have to do this by defining a function that gets a number as a parameter, and on the basis of condition, fractional digit is removed and integer part is returned. I have written down a function which takes a number as its parameter and checks if number is less than 0, which means if it is negative, then apply math.ceil function to it, and if it is greater than 0, then apply math.floor function to it. Let me tell you what math.floor and math.ceil do with respect to ES5. Math.floor return the largest integer value that is less than or equal to a number. In other words, floor function rounds a number down and returns an integer value. If I give a positive value to math.floor, it rounds the number down and returns only integer value. And if I give it a negative value, it rounds away from 0, and in this case it returns -6. On the other hand, math.ceil is used to return the smallest integer value that is greater than or equal to a number. In simpler words, ceil function rounds the number up and returns an integer value. Like if I give it a positive value, it rounds the number up and returns only the integer value. And if I give it a negative value, it rounds up towards 0, and in this case it returns -5. So based on our defined function and condition, you will see it will not round up or even round down the value. Instead, it will just give us the integer part of the number by removing the fractional decimal. Let me show you example of our undefined function using math.ceil and math.floor in the console. As I just want to get the integer part of fractional decimal, even if it is positive or negative number, trunc function is introduced in math object in JavaScript in ES6. So you don't have to define math.ceil or math.floor. Instead, you just have to pass a number to math.trunc and it returns the only integer part of the number. Now you will see I have the same result as I got from the math.ceil and math.floor, but instead now I just used math.trunc method to get the integer part of any fractional decimal. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.